What's up, guys? How you doing tonight? I'm gonna do a little bit of analysis on Bitcoin, although it hasn't changed from my last video. So I'm gonna just kind of breeze through this one a little bit. I'm still looking at this descending wedge, and I'm the chart to me is looking pretty bullish. I mean, I know everybody's still calling for a lower low and whatnot, but I truly believe that this could be our bottom here. You know, we may get a double bottom eventually, but I do see us moving up first before coming back down. So I'm gonna go over to the 4 hour. Before I get started, I want to, as always, this isn't financial advice, and I am not a financial advisor. Anyone that's doing anything in this market should do their own due diligence, as it's extremely volatile. But yeah, so this rising wedge here that I've been talking about, and I've got my Elliott wave counting there, and like I said, that's subject to change, but this is my long view. I like to swing trade, not too much of a day trader. Every once in a while I might do some day trades, but I'm more of a swing trader. It's a little less stressful. And plus I work full-time job. So anyways, all right. Well, I'm still looking at this neckline here, and I know this right shoulder has gotten a little long, but it could definitely still play out as a inverse head and shoulders with the left shoulder here, neckline, back down to the head, back up to the neckline, and left shoulder. Excuse me. And I said in a video yesterday, if you remember. Oh yeah, I want to say too, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, thumbs down, and subscribe. On the bottom right hand corner of the screen, there's a little red subscribe ribbon there. Just click that, and that'll get you subscribed. And then click the little bell if you want to get notified when I post videos. So, but I had said yesterday, if anybody watching see my video yesterday, that we were right around in here, and I drew this, and I made a mistake. I wanted to clarify it today. I noticed it after I uploaded it, and I didn't feel like getting back on and you know, redoing it and editing it, but so I just left it on there. But when I drew this bear flag, I called it a bull flag, but I'd said it'd probably come down and retest this trend line, and that's exactly what it did on the bottom of that rising wedge. So and now it seems to be almost looking like it's forming a triangle here, and the top of that right there is right at the 200 EMA. We'll probably get some resistance there, but if we break it, you know, I think we might come back down and test it, and then move back up and hopefully go for a shot at this neckline here, and that would be forming the right shoulder if it does play out. I'm gonna make a kind of measured move here out of this triangle. If we was to break out, if we broke out in this area, we would be looking at, it would almost be a double top here. It would be right in line with all this resistance right here, right around the between 4250 and 4300 range. And if we did do that, if we do make it up there, and that may take, you know, till next week. It could happen this weekend. As everyone knows, there's low volume, and sometimes people with either a lot of Bitcoin or a lot of money can move the market one way or another. So anyways, if we did get up here, I believe we'd come back down, test this neckline, and then go up from there if we didn't break back down. And I'm leaning bullish on this one. I really think we're gonna make this move up. And like I said, I have the 3 targets right here. I know this is on wave 3, but you know, it could play out a little different. We could get a 3 and then a 4, and that could end up 5 at the 5300, because that's that top trend line, resistance line coming down. But if we were to come back down and hit the bottom this trend line one more time and go up, you know, we could get in between the 5,500 to 6,300 range. The 5,500, that would be the resistance patch right here. The 6,300, 62, actually between 62 and 6,300 would be right in this resistance over here. And then, like I was mentioning the last video, you take these 5 waves, if it was to play out like this, and this might just end up being a big wave 1, and then, you know, a correction, wave 2 back down to here, and then wave 3 going after that. And I, you know, that's a little far ahead. I'm not going to try to play it out now. But that is a possibility, and actually that's kind of what I'm looking at right now. I mean, everything seems to be playing out nicely, and the thing for me, what I'm really going to be watching is this bottom trend line here on the rising wedge. If that gets broken, you know, that could change a lot. And also, what I've seen happen before, especially on the weekends, somebody, you know, could do a big sell and drop it out, and it could come back down to this, you know, 36.30 range where I got this support line. Could come back down there and bounce up and, you know, create a panic sell right here, and then a bull trap. People get trapped down here, and then, you know, it shoots back up, and that's another possibility. But I just really see this moving up from here. I don't see it doing all this consolidation to, you know, to drop back down again. I just don't see it. But if we did, you know, we might hit this $2,800 range that people are talking about. But honestly, I don't see it happening. It's my opinion only. Just my opinion, not financial advice in any way, shape, or form. I could be 100% wrong. This is just the way I'm viewing the market. But anyways, I wanted to mention again, you know, I would like everybody to subscribe, and once I get 200 plus subscribers, I'm gonna do a crypto swag giveaway where I'm gonna give away some t-shirts and some coffee mugs and koozies with the crypto of your choice on it. I'm gonna try to do it. I gotta figure out how to do it yet, if anyone wants to give me some ideas on it. But I thought maybe do like a live stream, and then yeah, do some kind of contest somehow with, not sure how to do it yet, but somehow, and then we'll do it live. I'll announce it live, and you know, whoever gets on will have the opportunity to win the stuff, and, you know, just a little something different to make it kind of fun, something fun to do, something different. And I don't know, if you guys could please click the thumbs up, thumbs down, and click the little red ribbon on the bottom right hand side of the screen, and subscribe and share the video. If you belong in any crypto groups or anything like that, share the video and maybe try to get some more people interested in subscribing, and maybe even put a little something on there telling them about the giveaways at 200 subscribers. And then once that happens, you know, then I'll work towards, you know, maybe do it again at 1,000 subscribers if I get there, 2,000, and so on and so forth. Just like I said, just a little something different. I think that's about it for today. I'm gonna probably, I might do some technical analysis tomorrow on Litecoin and Bitcoin, but I have a little more time tomorrow, and if anyone's got any suggestions, anything, you know, could help me grow the channel. I know yesterday I got some comments on my sound quality, so I went out and got a mic, and I hope that makes it better. I don't know if I have it quite adjusted right yet. You can help me with that if anyone you know, is good with that stuff and can give me some advice on it. I'm open to suggestions. So yeah, I don't know, that's where we're at. Nothing's really changed from my last video and what I'm seeing in the market. So I hope you all have a good weekend, and hopefully you'll tune back in tomorrow. I will like I said, I'll be posting some videos tomorrow. Have a good night, everyone.